But this didn't happen when Biden won.
Yeah, because their horse won.
Yeah.
They did this when Trump won. This has happened already.
People envy your position in life. They want to be at that place.
Yeah.
But you guys are maybe taking it for granted.
That's why I felt like it's a replay of 2016. That immigration website for Canada
Okay.
that went down, that happened 2016.
Did it happen?
That
Which one?
happened.
The IRCC?
Like the news, Canadian immigration website going down because of everybody
Just checking
trying to
how to do it.
That happened in 2016. But before we get into it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. The whole 9 yards.
For premium members,
for
download.
premium members, yeah. Download if you want.
Yeah.
Still the same shit.
Yeah, but if you comment, interact with us, we would love it.
Yeah.
If there's something that we can improve with this video, with our production, let us know.
Can we take it though? I don't know yet, but let's see.
Yeah, let's
So,
see. Like, try
let
us
us
out.
know.
Test us out.
If
Let's
we're gonna
test
cry,
the water.
if we're gonna have a meltdown like these leftist voters. But before we get into that, you got Edmund here
You got me, 2X.
looking goofy. I think you're trying to
Oh, I'm-
simulate the border jumpers.
No, I'm going for a Mongolian style right now.
I thought you were trying to be like a border jumper.
A border
or
jumper?
something.
Is
But
this
yeah,
how they look?
maybe. Well, you gotta gear up.
If I'm a border jumper and I'm gonna be jumping to Canada,
Jumping the border towards the north.
yeah, towards the north.
Towards north.
Not North Korea. Well, maybe North Korea too. But anyways, if I'm gonna be jumping from USA to Canada,
From the south.
I gotta get ready. I gotta make sure that I'm equipped to handle the cold here in the
Yeah.
Great White North.
And that's not enough.
This is
I would
not
say,
enough.
Yeah.
No,
But up to
as long as I have OVO, I'll be safe in Toronto.
Anyways, yeah. Yeah, this has happened before. Like everybody's getting into meltdown mode. Yeah, you're gonna be fine.
But this didn't happen when Biden won.
Yeah, because their horse won.
Yeah.
They did this when Trump won. This has happened already. I wanted to show you some meltdown videos
Okay.
from the leftists.
All right.
All right.
I can't believe Trump's actually gonna win this fucking thing!
Now this is all gonna be taken away because of him!
I'm so pissed off!
Wake up!
I'm f***ing feral today. Feral!
I'm f***ing angry! I'm mad! I'm upset! I'm angry as f***, bro!
White people, do not go to your black, your indigenous, your immigrant, your queer, your trans. Do not go to that person in your life that you feel is a little bit more oppressed than you are, because obviously you're feeling oppressed, and ask for like help with it.
Men. All of you. And you ugly dumb bitches who voted for him too. You guys are a piece of shit. You guys have internalized misogyny and you're dumb. You're stupid.
I'm gonna go ahead and say that I think if you voted for Donald Trump, you're ugly. I think you're all freaking ugly, and I think you're dumb as bricks.
It's one of the worst times of my life. It's when my life fell apart.
Knowing that what we're about to go through,
The only silver lining is it's actually gonna suck for all you Trump voters way more than it's gonna suck for us blue voters, because we actually have educations and good jobs. Y'all are broke as fuck, so it's really gonna suck for you.
means the possibility of me losing more of my rights and that being a real threat is insane.
Stop dating men. Stop having sex with men. Stop talking to men. Divorce your husbands. Leave your f***ing boyfriends. Leave them.
If he voted for that man, you need to leave him. You need to leave him. I'm sorry.
I'm done! I'm done! I'm done with you!
I might wake up a motherfucking slave.
I'm done with you and your mother and your sister! I'm just done with all of this!
Now that the orange turd has won, we should now rename America Hell, because it is going to be hell on earth once they strip everyone's rights away that is no straight white cis man.
All I'm saying right now is that someone in the White House would better take their shot right now and better not
is. You deserve to die by my hands. More specifically, by the rake that's in my hand that I'm using as a bludgeon on your skull.
So buckle up. Hope you freaking Republicans are happy.
This is America, and this is sad.
What the f***? Why? Do you really hate me that bad? Forgive me for being a little emotional here.
It's kind of fun.
So, are you going to accept these kind of people
Going to
to
Canada?
come to Canada?
No, we have too much of this kind of people already.
What
No.
kind? What kind?
Naggers.
Oh, okay.
We don't need any
Don't
more
slip.
naggers.
Don't slip.
no,
don't slip.
no.
Don't slip. You're one letter away.
I don't want naggers. Like, is it safe to say that they're Karens?
Well,
Complainers?
yes, because they care.
Yeah.
Karens care.
They care too much.
Care too much. But yeah, same thing as 2016. A bunch of people melting down because they didn't want who's sitting in power. They're saying it's the end of democracy. They're saying oppression's gonna take over the whole country, but hey, I don't think so. They've went through it already for 4 years. That's why everybody was saying though that the country was doing good economically,
Yeah.
but it's been chaotic because there's just civil unrest. They wanna push back against Trump. They're saying he's racist. They're saying he's misogynist. But yeah.
He just doesn't have a filter, I think. Which is different from other presidents.
I think not having a filter is one thing. But then for them, abortion is a big thing.
Yeah.
And he was able to repeal the national abortion bill.
Yeah. I was surprised that he's against abortion.
He's a Republican.
I
Republicans
guess
are,
all-
are
okay.
against abortions.
Okay.
Yes.
But yeah, knowing Trump, I'm kind of... It doesn't fit his personality that he's against abortion. But
Well-
yeah, he's a Republican, right?
Well, he's not totally against abortion. But for him, he wants it to be up to the states.
Is that what they're pushing right now? It depends on the state.
That's how it
It's
is
not
right now.
nationally. Okay.
Yeah. They were able to repeal Roe versus Wade. That was the historic precedent for
For abortion.
legalizing abortion. Now everybody's having a meltdown because now they're saying illegal immigrants are gonna be deported.
What, 11 million?
I don't know the
Estimating? That's what
numbers,
he's
but a
estimating?
lot.
11 million.
Yeah,
That's a lot.
and trans rights are gonna be off the
Affected.
table. That's what they're saying. And I was thinking, would the conservatives of Canada be in favor of these people coming in to the country? Because, I mean, they might be making up for the numbers that the spectrum of the darker shades has been currently overtaking.
Yeah.
But I don't think they would like these people anyways because
No.
they will still be pushing the liberal agenda,
Yes.
I think. What?
And they're cracking down on immigration too here in Canada. But the thing is, I don't think they can refuse asylum seekers. That's going to be the problem in the future.
But then, are they going to qualify as asylum seekers?
I guess because they're U.S. citizens, right? If we're talking about these people that you showed me
yeah.
earlier. I shouldn't say these people.
Well, how?
This U.S. citizens.
This group of people.
This group of U.S. citizens that you showed me.
Yeah. Do you know what constitutes being able to apply for asylum here in Canada? Because this I know generally. I don't know if this is specific in Canada. If you are going to be oppressed because of your religious beliefs, or
Even religious belief?
if you are getting persecuted,
Oh, okay.
not just oppressed, like
Yeah.
persecuted, like for
Like genocide.
genocide purposes, if you are getting persecuted for your sexuality, I guess, or your beliefs,
Oh.
you can apply for asylum. I think that's the general gist of it.
Okay, because I checked
Talking
here.
out of my ass.
Yeah, in Canada, an asylum seeker is a person who arrives in Canada and requests protection because they fear persecution, torture, or cruel and unusual punishment in their home country. Claims refugee status after arriving in Canada, either at a border crossing airport or after entering the country. So I guess those kind of people that you showed me earlier, not valid to become an asylum seeker. But who am I to classify
Well,
them?
because there's nothing really being done against them.
Yeah, they're not getting tortured. It's just their beliefs are getting tortured because they don't want what's happening.
There might be different ideologies between them and then the Republican Party. Like, they're from the different spectrums of the political compass, right and
Yeah.
left. But for the Republicans, for them, at least most of them, if you wanna pursue abortion, if you wanna pursue hormone therapy, don't make taxpayers pay for it. Because us, like say, this is a Republican speaking, because us, we don't subscribe to that belief. Why should we be spending our
Taxpayers' money.
for those treatments when we don't believe in that?
Yeah.
If you believe in that, like go ahead, but do it out of your own.
Yeah, out
pocket.
of your own pocket.
But then the left is going to say, well, we're human too.
Yeah.
That's like how they're trying to weigh things. But yeah, I mean, I'm on the same boat. I mean, you do you. If you wanna get an abortion, if you wanna
Yeah.
get hormone therapy, it doesn't matter what I think. Like, you do you.
Yes.
But don't get my money involved in this, because I personally myself won't be doing this. Hopefully, my kid doesn't get through this. And I think before my kid gets to that point, I feel like I have failed. If he really gets into this up to this point, before we have to get to hormone therapy or something, I should make sure that I have guided him first.
And also, they should be in the right age. Because I don't know if
At
you
least,
remember,
yes.
right?
Yeah.
Here in Canada, I think even grade schools, they can do like hormone therapy if they wanted to.
They wanted to.
They don't need to ask permission from their parents, which sounds absurd to me.
When you get 18,
You can do whatever you
but
want.
not while you're under my
roof.
Yes.
And plus, like, maybe it's just a face. It's just is that what you call a face? Maybe it's just a
Spell. What face?
face. FAC. Well, okay. So maybe it's just
Yes, it is a face, but which face?
PHASE.
Okay,
Okay, let's scratch that off.
Yeah.
It's just
That
a face.
Yeah, that face.
PHASE.
Some would say.
I used to be a
some would
spelling
say.
champion. I don't know what happened.
Some would say that
Being
is just a
Canadian makes
face.
your spelling sucks. But anyways,
Yeah.
so yeah, maybe it's just a face, right? Because it's a trend right now. But if you're underage and your brain's not developed yet enough to make that very important decision in your life, I think that's just my opinion.
But hey, I guess if they wanna do that, like, flee to Canada.
Yeah.
You get supported better here, for sure. But there are a lot of people who did this.
Yeah.
2016. They are still there.
They're still in. Yes, exactly.
Like, you should have the means to do so. This coming from me. I went through the whole application. You want to do it yourself? Do it.
Yeah.
If you really want it, do it, pussy.
Yeah.
Do it.
We dare you. But
dare
actually,
you.
yeah, as long as you guys are professionals too and you're gonna help the economy, maybe it's gonna be okay.
Well,
As long as they don't work with you or
now
interact.
that's a big if. If they're professionals.
Yeah, if they're
right?
professionals.
Do you think
If they're gonna be
those-
useful in Canada.
Do you think those people are gonna be going into the express entry streams? If those are like minimum wage jobs, I don't think so.
Yeah.
Well, good luck to you guys. I hope, well, maybe up to you if you guys can seek asylum. But yeah, we'll see.
We'll see, yeah.
We will see.
According to what I read earlier, I don't know.
Yeah.
You,
Doubtful.
you guys don't sound like an asylum seeker.
If you are getting chased by your perceived demons out there, we hope for the best. But you are in the freest country in the world.
Yes, people envy your position in life. They want to be at that place,
Yeah.
but you guys are maybe taking it for granted.
Yep.
Yeah. But feel free to speak your mind.
Feel free to.
Yeah.
That's part of the Constitution. Peaceful protest. I'm
Yeah.
not sure if it's verbatim, but that is your right to speak out, but don't just have a meltdown. Do something about it.
Do something about it.
Yep.
If you're really serious, go ahead.
And the
and try
keyword there,
applying.
peaceful protest.
Yeah.
No violence.
That's right.
Because it's a crime. We hope you guys the best, but I think you're in the best country right now.
Yeah.
There's going to be countries where you speak out, record it, and then
Yeah, you're gonna be gone. Less than 24 hours. Vanish.
yep, in unexplainable ways.
Yes.
Yeah. And one more concern, digital footprint.
Yes. How
These-
about their jobs?
I mean, yeah. Say like these people, like they say they apply for jobs in the future, and then potential employers see this.
Yeah,
I don't think it's gonna be favorable for them.
that's right. So us too, we gotta be careful on what we say, because whatever we say in the internet stays in the internet,
Yep.
and
We should be at
should
the
be,
point that we're me at least you're
you never
you're
know.
right.
Yeah, well,
But
I gotta please. We still gotta please a lot of people, even though I don't have an employer.
now you gotta please your market.
Yes.
That's who you gotta please. And yeah, so help us. Like, share, subscribe, the whole 9 yards.
That's right.
Help us make this our full-time thing. Have your meltdown right now, but tomorrow is another day. Wake up.
Like, send us links of your meltdowns in the comment section,
Yep.
and we will
Try not to
address
laugh.
it.
Okay.
Address.
We will try to sympathize, but then if
we will
we
try
can't,
to
we'll probably
sympathize.
laugh.
Yeah,
We'll probably laugh. But hey, that's how the world is.
yeah.
It's tough. So
Tough love. But like Edmund said,
Yep.
you're living in one of the best countries in the world,
Yep.
and you can speak your mind, and a lot of people want to be in your shoes. So be grateful.
Be grateful. Yep.
Be #blessed. that's so cringe.
Yeah.
#blessed.
Tito behavior. All right. Again, the best of luck to you guys. But yeah, I'm speechless.
Yeah.
It's a replay. You got Edmund here,
You got me, 2X.
and this is Twice the
D.
Meltdown.
Twice the dicking around.
Because it's 2016 and 2024, so it's
Yeah.
Twice the Meltdown.
Imagination runs free.